Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Sab. I hope you're having a wonderful day. First off, I'd like to thank all of my new friends for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all of the support. I'm super excited that you guys are following me here throughout my journey on YouTube. I'm super excited to be creating content that I love and that you love and enjoy. If you are viewing my channel for the first time today, welcome. If you love cooking, healthy meals, and food in general, then this is the channel for you. Please like this video, subscribe down below, and hit that bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. You do not have an excuse. I love Asian food. From my grandma making it to my mom making chow mein. I just love the oily noodles that hits your lips. I love the veggies soaked in the soy sauce. I just love everything about chow mein. Today I'm going to be making it as healthy as possible, but it's still going to taste amazing. You can trust me on that. And with that being said, let's get on to cooking. For the ingredients, we have some spring onions. I love the spring onions. I think they're more fresh than a regular onion. However, if you have a regular onion, go ahead and use a regular onion. Then I have a crunch factor in my chow mein. I'm using cashews. If you do not like any crunch in your chow mein, feel free to opt this out, or you can add in almonds or walnuts, whatever you like. Then we have snow peas, we have celery, we have carrots, and then we have some garlic here that I'll be using, and then some broccoli. And that sums it up for the veggies. You can opt anything out, or you can add in more veggies. This is a serving size for 2 people. These are the noodles I'm using. You can use any chow mein noodles you want. You can also use spaghetti noodles. Make sure they are thick spaghetti noodles. However, this is my favorite brand of chow mein noodles I have used. Sometimes the packaged ones can come out too slimy, I would say, but this one holds its shape and it has a nice bite to it. So look for this one at your local grocery store. Need some sesame oil. A little bit of rice vinegar. Of course, you'll need soy sauce. I'm using less sodium, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And of course, sriracha for the top of the chow mein. So I have my wok here and I'm just heating it up on high heat, on medium high heat actually. And I'm just gonna add in some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm gonna do maybe 6 tablespoons. You can feel free to add more or add less. You can also use coconut oil. Then I'm gonna wait for that to heat up. I have here my scallions I chopped up with my crushed garlic, my 2 garlic cloves. So I'm gonna add that in right now. Do you hear that sizzle? So we're just quickly gonna fry the spring onion and the garlic. That color is so beautiful. I wish you guys were here to smell it. Comment down below if you love the smell of onions or spring onions. So we're gonna fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. I could smell the garlic. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Now you can see my garlic is starting to brown and my spring onions are starting to cook. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna lower this to medium-low heat. Now I'm gonna add in my broccoli. my carrots, my celery, my snow peas, I am not adding in my cashews until the very end when I have my noodles in here frying with the vegetables. Then you just want to stir everything in. And so at this point I'm going to add in a little bit of oil. I'm going to add about 3 more tablespoons because we really want to coat this and fry this. And you can see those lovely colors. I'm going to add my sesame oil. I'm going to do about 10 drops of this. And the sesame oil is really going to bring out a delicious flavor in the vegetables. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of rice vinegar, about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. And then of course we're going to load it up with a lot of soy sauce. I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons. We really want to soak these vegetables with that soy sauce. Do you see the soy sauce's color is already catching onto the vegetables? That is exactly what you want. So I'm going to put this back up on medium heat. Right now I have it on medium low, so we're going to go ahead and fry it. Now for my spices, I'm going to add in pure sea salt. I'm going to do about a teaspoon. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of ground coriander seed. I'm going to do a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm using coarse black pepper. Do you see how beautiful that looks? Oh, it smells so good in here. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of paprika. And a teaspoon of garlic salt. Just combine everything and fry it. So I've been frying this for about 4 minutes now. I think it'll take about 5 to 8 minutes depending on how high your heat is. Depending on how high your heat is and how much oil you've used. Since I've not used a lot of oil, it's gonna take a bit longer. Delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. Now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to get started on my noodles. So I have about 6 cups of boiling water in here. And I'm using half the packet of noodles since this is only for 2 people. And I am cooking this as the package requires. The package requires that you bring water to a rolling boil. You're going to add in the noodles and stir it well. As it begins to boil over, you're going to add in 1 cup of cold water. You're going to add in 1 cup of cold water and then you're going to let it come to a boil again. And as it boils over again, you're going to turn off the flame. And then you're going to drain it and rinse it in cold water. So as you can see now, my water is coming to a rapid boil. So I'm going to add in my noodles. I'm using half the packet. You want to press it down gently because these do break easily. And so as you can see, they're softening up really quickly. So make sure you have that cup of water ready, because once this boils over, we're gonna quickly add in a cup of water and then we're gonna continue to stir this. And the package said no oil or salt is required, so I'm not gonna add that in. Make sure you are stirring consistently, because you do not want the noodles to stick to one another. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my 1 cup of cold water. And now we're gonna quickly stir that cold water in with the noodles. And you want to consistently stir this. This should take approximately 6 to 7 minutes. And once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and strain it and rinse it with cold water and set it aside for when you're ready to fry it. So we're gonna bring back our beautiful stir fry we have here. I'm gonna turn the heat on again. I'm gonna put medium-low heat, and we're just gonna fry this up one more time. And the reason we strain and rinse our chow mein noodles with cold water is because we want to stop the cooking process. So we're gonna fry this up really quickly for a few more minutes, like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Comment down below if you love food that sizzles. And while you're at it, comment down below and let me know what kind of veggies you guys like in your chow mein. So now that my veggies are ready and fried, I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the noodles, and we're gonna add in the noodles and stir fry that in as well. You're gonna see the color change from a white to a beautiful caramel brown. We really want to fry the noodles. So I'm gonna put it on medium heat. And at this point, I also want to add in my cashews. And I'm gonna add in a little bit more soy sauce, maybe like another teaspoon. And I'm gonna add 2 more drops of sesame oil. You can adjust the flavoring to your preference. This is the way I flavor mine, and I think it's perfect. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, please give this a like. Okay, it has been about 4 minutes. My chow mein is ready to serve. Let's go put this on a plate and give it a taste. You smell the chow mein? Yes, yes you do. Look at those paws. Scruffies. If you've stuck around this far, please give this video a like. Comment down below if you love chow mein. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thank you for sticking around. Now, for my last and final ingredient, for my chow mein, I have sriracha. This just ties everything together. I love spicy food, so we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some on and give this a try. Lots of sriracha. Like this video if you're team sriracha. My chopsticks are just for show because I cannot eat with chopsticks unless it's sushi. It is really good. It's really spicy. It's really oily. You can see the oil on my lips, just as I stated in the beginning. Now we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna get some of the veggies, some of the noodles. I need a fork. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this now. If you want to eat this, go ahead and make it. Tag me on my Instagram. I'd love to see your recreations at Cooking with Sabzi. I will link it down in the description below. And if you stuck around this long, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to, comment down below what you'd like to see me make next. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish enjoying this.